physical. I'll probably go take a nut next month. What's up, y'all? I'm in Florida right now, and I'm about to show y'all my tire ended up popping. A guy on the side of the road, he pulled me to this. Well, first it was another truck driver. Dude, he started honking his tractor or whatever. He had cows in the back, and I just thought he was doing that because I was slow, because my truck only is governed at 65. But then some few guys in a truck pulled, or like they driving right next to me, telling me like, your tire is blown out. And I kept beeping. I'm like, what is it? The first truck driver, I was like, what is the issue? What is the issue? He didn't tell me what the issue was, so I kept driving. Y'all, tell me what a damn tire is literally off. So we have to put our cones out real quick so that we can. And it's raining bad. Let me show y'all. It's raining, and we literally on the side, so I gotta put my cones out so that we don't die. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. This literally happened. This is my second time it happened to me, but it's cool. We gonna see. Happened to me twice, so that's why I don't even have to put these. I never put these back up. I didn't know I was gonna need them early, but I need them now. So we're gonna put these out. They should be on their way soon. And yeah, let's go out here. I'm literally just by a pilot. I wish I would have been able to go to that pilot, but they told me too late. I was already driving, you know? Oh. All right. This is how it looks. Ran down. See? All right, y'all, so let me show y'all. This how the tire looks. Like, ate the fuck up. What's crazy is I heard like a boom when I was trying to slide my tandem, but I didn't pay attention to it because I didn't think it was that big of a deal. I'm like, it has to be my tandem because my tandem wasn't locking in. And when they finally locked in, I was like, okay, great, they locked in now. But supposedly it wasn't even that. So it's so humid out here. So I'm just gonna be waiting for roadside to come. And yeah, y'all, like, this is my second time, and it happens in Florida. Every time I come to Florida, this shit keeps on happening in Florida, bro. I'm tired of Florida. And it's a pilot right down the street. I'm tired of this shit happening. I'm not gonna lie. Police don't come. I'm just hoping that the police don't come before I'm just hoping that the police don't come before the damn maintenance people. Last time it took 2 hours. Hopefully it don't take 2 hours this time, because 2 hours is too goddamn long. I'm not gonna lie. We don't need to be out here for 2 hours. Come on, guys, get your shit together. There's a pilot down the street, there's a TA over there. Call one of these people, call them, tell them to come scoop me up, fix the tire so we can get back on the fucking road. And that is that. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we figure some shit out. All right, y'all, so we're headed to Alabama. The goal is to get to Alabama before my time run out. Now, the reason why we're trying to get to Alabama is because I really want to go to the gym. Like, I feel heavy as fuck. I don't know, like, I'm not playing. I feel heavy as fuck. Like, I feel heavy. Like, I feel like a weight. You know? Like, heavy. Like, heavy. Like, I'm not even playing. So, the goal is to get to Alabama, to Mobile, Alabama, to Crunch Fitness. Because once I get to Alabama, I know, like, from Alabama, there's Mississippi, then Louisiana, and I'm going to be able to drop this load off. I don't want to say early, but I'm going to drop it off fast, like, quick. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going to be at home tomorrow. And I might just stay on the road for another 3 weeks so y'all can kind of see better, like, more content from me. So this load is supposed to be dropped off not tomorrow, but the following day. So today is what, the 29th? Yeah, tomorrow is the 30th, and then we got the 31st. But yeah, y'all, I need to go to the gym. I ain't gonna lie, I just want to walk, and like, I feel like I just need to walk, like, walk, burn. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to be in the gym for probably about 2 hours. I literally need to sweat. Like, I feel like I need to sweat. I don't know if y'all ever felt like you just needed to sweat the fucking shit out you, but I gotta sweat. I need to sweat. Like, I really want to run. I really want to lift. I really want to be in the gym right now. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna be in the goddamn gym. Cause sheesh, I'm trying to go to the gym at least 3 to 4 times a week. It's hard, bro. It's so hard. And plus, I've been overeating. Oh, I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I literally need to be disciplined. But yeah, y'all, we like an hour and 30 minutes away from Mobile, Alabama. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna hit y'all back up when we make it there, if we make it there, you know. So yeah, I got an hour and 50 minutes left on my 14-hour clock. So we really need to be hauling ass, but it's cool. I'm gonna hit y'all back up later. All right, y'all, we made it here. I'm about to get all my stuff and we got to go in there. Can't believe I made it here, y'all. I was literally playing with 6 minutes on the clock, but we did it. We about to go in here and get some work in. We're working out for 3 hours because the girl needs to lose some goddamn weight. It's about that time. I'm 24, about to be 25. I heard when you hit 25, the weight stick. We don't want the weight to stick, so. Got my bag. Don't mind the company. I told y'all they gave us backpacks. So I'm gonna use it. You know what I'm saying? You can call it what you want. I ain't got no water. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Oh, I do got water. I have 1 bottle of water. So we gonna drink this 1 bottle. And we about to go work. I'm about to talk to my friend real quick. He's a truck driver too, but he got into a car accident. He got into a car accident. It's not funny. I mean, a truck accident. It's not funny, but I hope he okay. We about to see what's going on with my homeboy. Cause what you doing? How did this happen? What took place? I'm gonna talk to him so I'm gonna hit y'all up later. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit, but I'm not gonna show y'all a lot. You see what I'm saying? It's a long little walk, but we need the exercise. I'm telling y'all, like, y'all need to be working out. I gained all this weight because I wasn't working out. Now I'm trying to prioritize working out. Somebody in the comments said, Jahia, you're not serious about trucking or fitness. I said, bitch, you right. I'm not serious about trucking or fitness. So I need to get on my shit for fitness because I'm about to be 25. I'm gonna hit y'all up later though. Alright, y'all, I'm in the gym. I just got to do my workout. I'm about to take a shower. And I'm about to go to sleep. It's about to be 10 o'clock. I need to be out by 10, so yeah, we know I got a good workout in. So alright, y'all, so I'm back in the truck. A guy from Atlantic Freight parked right next to me. There's a nigga in front of me, a nigga on the side of me. So I'm gonna show you. A nigga in front, you see this car? I don't know who's in that car. And then this nigga right here parked on the side of me. So I don't know who that is either. I don't know who these bitches are. But all I know is they better not come in this truck. Period. Anyway. Yeah, I'm about to head to sleep and I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow morning. I'm probably waking up at like 4 or 5. And we're gonna get on the road. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it felt good to work out. Like, I feel good, I'm not lying. I feel really, really, really good. Like, whew, I needed that because I felt heavy. So yeah. Alright, what's up y'all? Good morning. So today we're gonna be talking about a crash my friend got into a crash yesterday in New York. And I'm pretty sure if y'all was in New York, if y'all saw the crash, then y'all know why there was a delay in New York yesterday. That's if y'all was in New York yesterday, right? Now I'm gonna put the video on the screen so y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't know who was at fault, to be honest with you. But one thing I do know who was at fault. I know for sure that this slow-moving vehicle was at fault. Now, here's the thing. When you first go into CDL school, you hear about the slow-moving vehicles, and you hear about, you know, slowing down for those vehicles because those vehicles have the right of way. Like, I know I'm not tripping, and I know I remember hearing about the slow-moving vehicles, those small tractors with those triangles in the back. They have the right of way. That's what I remember. I'm not sure. That's what I remember. So you have those vehicles, and that's one of the vehicles that was in his way when he was driving. Now this man is really one of my friends. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it's kind of like weird that it really actually happened to him because, like, what the hell? Like, it's really somebody I know that got into an accident. I never thought I would see this day coming, you know? So he's basically, and I'm gonna show y'all the video, mind y'all. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit and I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all let me know down in the comments down below what y'all think. Do y'all think that he was in the wrong, or do you think that the tractor was in the wrong? I think the tractor person, whoever was in there, I don't know if they fell asleep. I don't know if they, you know, fell out. I don't know what the tea was for them. But I really do believe that they was on a suicide mission. I think they was trying to die. I think they didn't like their life because, and when you watch this video, my friend, he was all the way in the left lane. When you're all the way in the left lane, you know how fast you're going in those left lanes. You're going fast. You're going at 70, maybe 70 plus. You're going hella fast. So it's like, what are you doing? And this small, slow-ass tractor is literally getting all the way in the left lane. And he starts beeping. He like, you know, he starts beeping his horn, and the tractor is not moving. So I'm making the assumption, I don't know, because I didn't talk to him, because he's literally happened yesterday. He's obviously hurt. He's obviously damaged. He told me that he's good, but I don't think that's the truth, because you look at this video, the fucking truck split in half, y'all. The truck literally split in half from the rail, and he was trying to swerve it, but he couldn't. And like I said, when I watched the video, I don't know if there's anything he could have done, because literally, y'all, I don't know if there's anything he could have done, just because. And I need a massage, I'm not gonna lie. I need a massage real bad. Like, I got coconut. That shit is good. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm tired. But I'ma still go to the gym. And I'm gonna edit this video